The upcoming iPad 11th generation is expected to bring significant upgrades, but it may also come with a higher price tag. The previous 10th generation iPad introduced a major design overhaul, resembling the iPad Air, along with USB-C connectivity and the A14 chip. It also introduced accessories like the Magic Keyboard Folio and support for the updated USB-C Apple Pencil. Initially priced at $450, the 10th generation model saw a price drop to $350 and is sometimes available for as low as $250. However, with the upcoming iPad 11th generation, a price increase is likely due to hardware advancements. According to Geeky Gadgets, Apple is expected to equip the new iPad with the A18 chip instead of older processors like the A15 or A16, primarily to support Apple Intelligence features like notification summaries, image playground, Genmoji, the all-new Siri, ChatGPT, and more. The A18 also ensures faster USB 2.0 data transfer speeds with potential support for Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. Additionally, cellular versions of the iPad 11 might feature Apple's first in-house 5G modem, as Bloomberg reports that these modems will debut in low-end iPads before expanding to Pro models in 2026. Apple is also developing a new lower-end Magic Keyboard, which the iPad 11 could support, featuring a more traditional design, rather than the Folio-style keyboard seen on the iPad 10. While the 10th Gen iPad introduced a major redesign, the external appearance of the new model is likely to remain unchanged. Display-wise, no changes in screen size are expected, as the 10th Gen model already expanded from 10.2 inches to 10.9 inches. However, according to Macworld, Apple may introduce a laminated display, which would improve clarity, reduce screen flex, and make the device feel more premium. Camera upgrades are expected to be minimal, as the 10th Gen iPad already moved the front camera to landscape orientation and features center stage. While the rear camera might receive slight enhancements, they are likely to be software-based rather than hardware improvements. Storage is one area where Apple is expected to make a practical upgrade, increasing the base storage from 64 GB to 128 GB, with the top-tier model offering 512 GB instead of 256 GB. According to Phone Arena, the device is expected to come in silver or white, blue, yellow, pink, and possibly a darker shade like space gray or black. Silver or white remains a neutral, budget-friendly option, while blue continues Apple's trend of including this color in iPads and iPhones. Yellow, known for its bold and vibrant appeal, may return alongside pink, which has been featured in previous models. A darker variant like space gray or black could also be introduced. Given its likely hardware and features, Apple may price it at $499, making it equivalent to the iPad mini. While some speculate a $599 price tag, this would bring it too close to the iPad Air, which starts at $699 and may soon feature an M4 chip. However, the iPad 11th generation is expected to launch in spring 2025, probably in March or April.